Hello coders, in this video I am going to explain new seed function. So if you watch this video up to the end, then I am sure that you will not require to refer seed function once again. So np.random function is used to generate random numbers. So if we use np.random function which gives the totally unpredictable responses. So please remember, to make np.random function predictable, we need to pass seed value using np.random.seed, and here you can pass any value. So now this seed function is used to save the state of a random function so that it can generate same random numbers on the multiple executions on the same machine or on different machines. Here you can see 4 students are executing np.random function without seed value. So all of them will get different numbers during the execution of random function that you can see over here, right? So now we assume that all of them have provided value of seed to 5, right? So now they are executing np.random with this seed value. Now what will happen? You can see all of them will get same random number while they are executing np.random multiple times. Now this is the logic behind the seed value. So seed function is used to make random function predictable. That's all. Let I show you this practically in the Jupyter notebook. Now let me revise seed function once again. So np.random function is used to generate random numbers. So if we use np.random function which gives totally unpredictable responses, to make np.random function predictable, we need to pass seed value using np.random.seed. So np.random.seed function is used to save the state of a random function so that it can generate same random numbers on multiple executions on the same machine or on different machines. Let me use first np.random. In that I am using randint function. I want to generate random numbers from 1 to 500. Now you can see when I execute this statement again and again, it will generate unpredictable result or some unpredictable number. So also if you execute this function, we all get different random numbers. Now I want to make this randint function predictable. Then what we have to do? We have to pass seed value using np.random.seed. Suppose here you can pass any value. I am using 5. So if we both are using this 5 value, then we will get the same random number. So currently I am executing random function. Same time during this video also you are executing this function. We all get the same result because we have used the same seed value. Now here you can see again, let I copy and paste it over here with seed value of 5. Now you can see if I execute this statement, seed and randint again and again will get same random number. So this will make randint predictable. So currently if you are using this 2 statement as it is, then we all get same predictable random number. Now also we can generate, you can see over here, suppose from 1 to 500 I want 10 random numbers from 1 to 500. If I am not using this seed value, let I make it comment. If I execute this statement again and again, it will generate 10 random numbers which is totally unpredictable. If I want to make this 10 numbers predictable from 1 to 500, I have to provide some seed value. Let I provide the 5, right? Now let you can see first number is 356, second is 207, and last one is 229. Let I execute this multiple time. You can see every time we will get same random numbers from the given range 1 to 500. Now let I make it comment. Now let I execute this statement again. Now you can see first number is 232, last number is 114. Now you can see it is totally unpredictable, but if we write seed value, then it will make this randint predictable. If you execute this row multiple times, we will get the same random number. Thank you for watching.